Hello everyone, so today in this quick video I'm just going to show you how to use a multimeter to test if batteries are good or bad. So I'm going to start with this Duracell battery, and the way it's hooked up is the red represents positive and the black right here represents a negative. So anode and cathode basically. So I'm going to test out this battery to see if it's any good. This is a 1.5 volt battery. So this side is positive, that back side is negative. So positive and negative. So I'm getting about 1.5 volts, as you can see here. Whoops. .5, so this is a good battery. I'm going to check out this one. This is also 1.5 volts. It's an AA battery. Okay, I'm getting about 1.5. So this is also good. This is a UPS battery, and this is rated at, let me check, I think this is 12 volts. It's the same as this battery, so I'm going to check this out to see if this is any good. This part is positive and that's negative. So I'm getting about 4 point something. I don't know if you can see that or not, but I'm going to do that again. Getting about 4.37 volts. That's not very good. And as for the scaling, as you can see, I have it at 22 digits because the reading's going to be in 2 digits, like up to 12 volts. So this is a bad battery. So I'm going to send it to the recycling center and get rid of it. This is a 12 volt battery as well. And I'm going to check to see if this is any good. So positive and negative. Positive and negative. So let me check. Let's see what I get here. 12.8. This is a good battery. This is a 12 volt battery for a UPS. It's got a higher amperage, I think. This is a bigger battery. Test this out. It's a new battery. It should have it should be about 12.68 volts. So it's a good battery. Okay, good. They better be good because they're new. Let me check out the other battery. So I got another one as well. Okay, I'm gonna check out this one. Let's see if this UPS battery is any good or not. So positive and negative again. 12.69 to 12.7, which is good. So something like this is pretty handy to have around. This is an AstroAI AM33D multimeter, and I use these to check out to see if my batteries are any good or not. Or I also use it to check circuits. Yeah, it's pretty useful to have. So anyways, that's it. So thanks for watching by Ace 1000KS 1975 signing out.